Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Marlo from out of Las Vegas. So today we're going to talk about white smoke from your exhaust. I have a BMW, so I found out the quick fix to that. So it's this liquid moly here. You're going to add to your engine oil, and you're only going to do it every 15,000 to 20,000 miles. So every other oil change. And what's happening? So what's happening is there's valves in your engine, and they're shrinking over time. So that oil additive, what it does is it swells up the seals and makes a tight squeeze so that oil doesn't bypass those seals and burn oil. So this is a slow acting additive. So once you put this in, it's going to take you a good 400 to 600 miles for you to drive. I know it sounds like a while, but I'm telling you, every other week you're going to notice less oil being burned, and then sooner or later you're going to start up your car, you're going to see no white smoke. So that's the quick fix, guys. I got a before video and an after video after I talk. I also want to talk about this diagnostic tool. For every BMW owner, you should have this, because the reason being, sooner or later you're going to need your brakes changed, or also your battery. Also, when you get a new battery, you got to register that battery, and you need that diagnostic tool. If you take your vehicle to the dealership, you're going to be paying an arm and a leg just to have that done. Also, that clears codes, it picks up codes, and also you need it to change your brakes and all kinds of other things. So highly recommend it. You can't find it at the AutoZone or that liquid moly. You can't find it at AutoZone, so I'll put a link in the description. So also, I'm going to also show you my before video and after video of the white smoke from my exhaust. Alright guys, hopefully I was able to help you out. So please like and subscribe. I'll be able to help you out with things around the house, and I will be of value to you guys. Alright guys. Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to go ahead and start up my BMW. And I'm going to show you proof of the white smoke coming out of the exhaust. There's all that white smoke, as you can see. So it's all that oil that's sitting. So we're gonna use, oh, that stuff stinks. So we're gonna use this Beamer. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and show you that there's no white smoke coming from the exhaust. But that's your quick fix for your resolution. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll be able to help you guys out with many other things around the house. Here we go. So there you guys go. There's the quick fix for the no white smoke or blue smoke. There you guys go.